Hello everyone! Every tip I'm going to give you in this video has been tested by professionals here at the shop, so don't worry, this has a solution. When reviewing several cases in the workshop, the first thing that usually comes up is the fuel system. We've seen situations where the car isn't getting fuel consistently. One client said it felt like it was losing power and then suddenly reacted, and it turned out to be dirty injectors. The technicians explain it simply. If fuel doesn't flow evenly, the engine starts to jerk. Following that, the ignition system also causes a lot of trouble. We've heard comments like, "I changed the spark plugs and the problem went away," and it's no coincidence. Worn spark plugs or failing coils make the spark uneven. At the shop, we sum it up like this. If the spark misses even for a millisecond, the engine feels unstable. Digging a bit deeper into electronics, several clients come in saying, "They told me it was sensors, but I didn't really understand." This is where sensors like the MAF or throttle position sensor come into play. If they send incorrect data, the car doesn't know how much fuel or air to use. As the technicians say, the car gets confused and jerks. In other inspections, the issue isn't in the engine but in the transmission, especially in automatics. Some clients tell us, "I feel bumps when accelerating or shifting," and that points to the transmission not making smooth changes. From the shop's perspective, it's clear, sometimes the jerking isn't the engine, it's the transmission reacting poorly. We've also encountered cases where everything is solved with a simple cleaning. One client said they cleaned the throttle body and it runs like new. This happens because dirt affects the airflow and causes irregular throttle response. At the end of the day, what we see every day in the shop is that these jerks don't happen by chance. It could be fuel, ignition, sensors, or transmission. As one technician told us, the car is always giving you a warning. You just have to know how to read the symptom. Clients who do a full inspection end up eliminating those jerks and get back to driving smoothly, without that annoying surge every time they press the accelerator.